Alright, well I got the rigger out here today. I'm going to shoot for some speed. I built this new top hatch because I felt like my little carbon fiber bubble hatch was not letting my GPS read proper signal. I've got a 4016 OSE prop on this thing. Maybe a little too big, but we're going to see. We're just going to do 2 straight line passes, bring it in, check speed. If it seems like too much of a prop, I'm going to go ahead and change it out to something different. But took the turn fin off. We've got the TP motor in there, 4220, and we're going to see what happens. But while I get this prepped up, I'm going to let Miles go ahead and rip his recoil. Turn it on 100%. That way it'll get up and go faster. Just drive it. Make big circles, not so close to the shore. There you go. Got all this area you can use.
It scares me doing it at 100%.
Then get it up going and then flip it back to 75. But that's the idea. You gotta get that adrenaline rush. You don't have to hold it wide open. You have control over the throttle. You're doing really good. There it goes. It takes a second to get it up on plane. All right, take it from one end of the pond to the other. Do a big circle and use the whole pond. Going 100%. There you go. Turn again. There you go. Looking good. Little close to the shore there. No room for air. All right, you want to bring it in and check the temps on it? Drive it to the shore real close, and then when you get close to it, just stop. Alright, got the GPS zeroed out. I'm going to go ahead and shove it in here, and we're going to try this new top hatch for the first time. Well, I made an idiot move. I pushed the battery in too far and it popped the nose up, so I'm going to have to fix that when I get back home, but I went ahead and just kind of taped it, so hopefully that'll hold. I've got the batteries charged, so I need to discharge them. That's why I like the high voltage packs, man. These high voltage packs are slightly smaller than the green HP pack, which I have in there now. I've never had an issue with these fitting, but that green HP pack is it's tight. All right, let's get it in the water. All right, let's see if we can make this happen. No turn fin. That looks like it's running pretty straight. Needs to go that way just a smidge. Ooh, boy, that was flying. All right, let's go back down. I'm gonna go down to the other end and try that one more time. Ah, it won't slow down. Man, it just doesn't want to turn for shit. Ooh! Ooh!
It's still alive.
Amazingly, it's still alive.
It became a helicopter.
Oh, it bent the rudder. That rudder is all deflected. All right, I gotta go get it. Man, that was nerve-wracking. I hustled to get out there because I knew I saw the rudder cock sideways, and I'm like, if the rudder's broke, the back end's open. And boy, when I got to it, she was starting to go under, and she was like this, and all you could see was like this much of the front, and I was like, no. Oh boy, but only the back had water in it. The front still seemed to stay sealed. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Moment of truth. Hot dog. Yeah, she's good. No water in the front. Okay. Let's see what we did. Oh my God! Hell yeah, baby! 86 miles an hour. What? Oh my God, I can't believe it. I knew she was flying. Oh, that makes sense.
What is that car?
86 miles an hour, dude. I've never seen 86 miles an hour out of a little tiny boat like this. That makes sense why the rudder ripped off. What it did, the nut is still back here.
It looks like it's bleeding.
Yeah, that's where I filled it in. So what it did, it pulled the nut.
It pulled the tooth.
Oh, it pulled the rear transom off. Look at that. It slid the transom out, and then it slid the nut and the bolt over. That's what it did. Remember how I said in the last video that my rudder was bent? That's been the problem the whole time. This glue had come undone, and that was why it was cockeyed. So that makes total sense now. But 86 miles an hour, baby. 86. That's impressive. All right, well, we still had plenty of juice left on it, but unfortunately, no bueno there. So this thing has been through a dozen spills, and I haven't had to fix anything yet, so it's pretty good. You know, the only thing I really had to fix is put a new turn fin bracket on it. So I'm not really complaining. Only this area got wet. Everything still worked when I took it out, but 86 miles an hour, that is absolutely freaking ripping. I don't know if anybody else has done 86 on a shrimp rigger. Just saying, don't know. Not gonna say anything about that. I was always trying to get in the 80s, and boy, oh boy, did we cross the 75 mile an hour barrier by 11 miles an hour. Holy crap. So it looks like we need to go back home, glue the front nose back down, because all of this was done with tape on the nose. And I guess the rear had been flexing. It's been flexing for the last couple of runs. That was just enough pressure against the rudder to make it break completely out. But yeah, we'll show you what I was running. 4016 brass prop, absolutely bonkers. All right, let's see. No smoky smoke. That's the impulse motor. 110, 112. Shoot, that thing ain't hurting nothing. All right, let's see if we have any battery left. All right, looks like he shut it off right in time. Look at that. 3.79, 3.80. Beautiful. That was on 3S. That ain't bad. Very, very happy. And you did an excellent job driving. I'm proud of you for that. All right, let's go ahead and bust out the rigger and see what kind of speeds we can get on the rigger. I bet you this thing was doing close to 40 miles an hour. She was scooting. I'm going to end the video here. I'm ecstatic. I know y'all are excited. It's got to be crazy. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all at the pond later.